Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Simply Kiwi. I am happy to do another abstract mani, and some of the polishes I'll be using is with Luna Lab Creations Luna Lacquer polishes. If you like nail art or anything nail art related, please consider subscribing. There's also that little notifications bell down below, so go ahead and click that so you'll know when I upload new content to the channel. So let's get started. Well, this is yet another one I enjoy doing. I hope you enjoyed this mani as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and smash up those likes, y'all. And I'll see you in the next video. And remember to allow that mani to take hold and watch the magic appear.